Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are doing fine. Today I'm going to show you how to install a Vokoscreen 2.5.0 and how to configure the audio of the Vokoscreen to record your audio. So first you have to just Google Vokoscreen download. So this site will show up. You just click it and click here. It says Vokoscreen 2.5.0 trial version. So click here. This will start downloading. As I have installed it earlier, I am canceling it. Sorry. Now this interface will come up. In the first section you can see that full screen window area. You can select which type of record you will use. It's full screen window area, and there is an option to use if you for example if you have two display or three display, you can select here which display to record, or you can record all the displays together. And there is an option to use the magnification. There is another advanced option to use the magnification. Okay, if you want to show the clicks, you just have to select this and this will come up here. This is audio part. As I'm using the built-in headset audio of mine, so I have selected pulse, and there is I have selected those to work. If you do not select those, it will not work at all. Here I have selected 30 frame rate per second. If you are using if you are recording your video for YouTube sheet or other things, you can select 25 or 30. I think 30 is ideal. As you can see here, it is a format. There are two options, MKV and MP4. I will recommend you to use MKV because the Matroska format is better to edit. And here is an option if you want to show the mouse cursor or not. Just click select it, and there is two other options, video codec and audio codec. If for video codec I am using libx264. There is another option, MPEG4 format. I will recommend you to use this rather than MPEG4. I think this works very fine. For your audio, just select AAC format. This works very good to edit later. You can edit your audio later and the quality will be very good. And here select where your recording file will be saved after finishing your recording, and there is an option to use the webcam. If you select this, there will a box will come up that will show you the webcam, and here you can browse this if you want. So after using this, uh, if you do nothing else and use this, you will see that your audio quality is not good. There are noise, true sounds, and your voice is not audible at all. So what you have to do, just go to Ubuntu software and download pulse volume control. Download it and it will come up like this. You will select in the input devices internal microphone or microphone. If you are using your default headset, you shall use internal microphone. I don't know why it is showing unplugged, but it is working, as you can see here. If you are using external microphone, which has only the microphone, you can buy those in the Amazon or any local store, just select the microphone, and in this recording part, this will come up if you start recording your audio and screen. Otherwise this will be empty. So in this section you will see this. So after doing this, my noise cancellation did not happen. The noise shoe sounds were happening. So what did I do? Just go to terminal, open up the terminal, control alt control T, and write sudo nano space slash etc slash pulse slash default dot pa. Enter, hit your password, I'm sorry, sorry, I put the wrong password twice. Just scroll down, going down, and you will find this portion, module to allow automating. You just have to search it until you find it. You will see there are two lines there, this and this and this. You just have to write this, hit enter, and write load slash module space module slash module dash echo dash cancel, and hit Ctrl X. After doing this, you just have to restart the pulse audio, write pulse audio space dash K and hit enter. I'm not going to enter it. If I do this, my audio will be stopped. I have to start recording from the beginning. So after doing this, you will see this portion. This portion will not come up earlier. It is called echo cancel with built-in audio analog stereo. And in the recording section, you will also find this. And after recording this, you will see the difference between the previous audio and the present audio. The noise will be cancelled, not totally cancelled, but you will see the difference. So this is my tutorial for installing Vokoscreen and configuring the audio. Goodbye everyone, see you later.